Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be doing another acrylic tutorial with French tip design, and I'd like you guys to just sit back, relax and enjoy this tutorial I mean. So I was tagged in this Would You Rather challenge by PQ Colony channel here on YouTube, and I'd like to just dive into this question straight away. So the first question says, would you rather only use gel polish or regular polish? The truth is, I love gel polish. I can't imagine me working without gel polish, because I take clients like every day, and a lot of people are not always so very patient to allow their regular polish to dry before they move. So they always end up smudging it or spoiling what you've done. So I'd rather only use gel polish for all my work. I love gel polish. The finish product when you use the gel polish is always superb. So gel polish all the way. So the second question says, would you rather use acrylic only or polygel only? If you're used to, or if you've been watching or following my channel for a while, you will know that I use mostly acrylic. So I enjoy working with acrylic. I'm so used to it, even though I use polygel sometimes, and I've introduced polygel to a lot of my clients that nails doesn't last long in their hands. Some people are so rough with their nails. I introduce polygel to them because that lasts longer on their fingernails than acrylic. But still, I'd rather use just acrylics, honestly, because I still believe there are some designs that you can just do only with acrylics. So acrylics for me. And the third one says, would you rather use a hand file or an e-file? I cannot work without an e-file. Honestly, I can do without a hand file, or without my e-file. I can't do anything. So I'd rather just use an e-file. I always have an extra e-file in my lounge in case the other one stops working. I just pick the other one. That is how bad I'm used to using an e-file. The next question says, would you rather only use dry flowers or stickers? I really don't use dry flowers like that. I've used it just once or twice. So I think I'll just go with stickers, because a lot of people just want you to stick something, and if you don't like it, you can easily peel it off instead of flowers that will be on their nails, and at the end of the day they won't like it and they won't know how to say it, or they just prefer to take it since it's already embedded in the acrylics. So I'll go with stickers. The next question also says, would you rather have a matte or a glossy set? So I do a lot of glossy sets for my clients. A lot of people prefer to do the glossy sets, but recently I fell in love with matte when I got the Born Pretty matte top coats. It really changed my perspective about matte sets, but still I would love to go with glossy sets. The next question says, would you rather use only glow in the dark or color changing products? I've never used the color changing products, but I've used glow in the dark acrylic and polygel. I think I'll rather go with color changing products, because the temperature of the environment will actually determine the color that it will give. So I think I'll rather use color changing products. The next question says, would you rather lose a pinky or a thumb? Okay, honestly, I don't know which one to pick. If I say I should lose a pinky, when I'm doing a set for myself, I need to show my 4 fingers. So I think I'd rather lose a thumb. I can always do without the nail on my thumb, but the 4 other ones, my pinky, my ring finger, my middle finger, my um other one, I can't remember the name now, should be intact. So the next one says, would you rather always have short nails or long nails? So when I was younger, I would always prefer long nails, but now that I'm older, I think short nails are better because you can do a lot of things with your nails on compared to when you have long nails on. When you have long nails on, to me, I think you become a temporary handicap. You're able to do a lot of things, like, and you won't be free with your nails like when you have short nails. So I'll go with short nails. The next question says, would you rather only wear white nails or black nails? So I've never had white nails, but I've done black nails, and because of my complexion, I really don't like black nails because it makes my hand to look so dark. But I won't still go with white nails because I eat a lot of swallow and soup, and white nails will get stained with the soup, with the oil from the soup and the color of the pepper and all. So I'll just have to go with black nails. So the next question says, would you rather always have stiletto nails or never wear stiletto nails? Okay, so I would rather never wear stiletto nails because my thumbs are big. To me, stiletto nails will never doesn't really look nice on my nails. So I'll prefer to have other shape of nails. There's square, there's ballerina, there's round, there's almond, and the rest that I can rock instead of having to have just stiletto nails. It will be boring. So the next question says, would you rather use a broken brush or a foundation brush to apply your products? I think a foundation brush cannot do the work the way a broken brush will do. So I'd rather use a broken brush to apply my products than using a foundation brush. I think foundation brush are too fluffy. They don't have the strength to actually mold acrylics. So I'd rather use a broken brush. The next question also says, would you rather only practice on a real hand or a fake hand? Okay, so I use fake hand to teach my students. So, and I use when I'm working on clients, I use real hands. So I think working on real hands makes you actually know what to do and how to do the right thing, because when you're still working on the fake hand, filing the sides of the nails, the cuticle area might be a little bit dicey, because it's a fake hand. You might actually just do it anyhow. But when you're working on a client, you have to be careful. That's a real hand. You have to be careful, and if you practice with that, you'll be able to take on clients. So I think I prefer working on or practicing on a real hand. And anyway, I don't practice like that again because I take clients. So I still prefer to rather only practice on real hands. So this next question says, would you rather only use nail tips or paper foams? I love paper foams. I can use it to an extent, but I prefer nail tips because when you use paper foams, it actually takes a lot of time before you before you fix it, before you shape it, get the right shape, mold the right shape. That's all I mean. Before you mold the right shape, it takes time. But with nail tips, you have the shapes there already. Just start applying your products on it. So I'd rather only use nail tips. The next question also says, would you rather only use press-on or full cover tips? I'd rather use full cover tips because I can make my press-on by using full cover tips, so I rather just use full cover tips. The last question says, would you rather do all glitter sets or just solid colors? I think I added that to the question. It's not part of the questions on the would you rather challenge. I added it, and honestly I'd rather just do solid colors because glitters might not go with all occasions. So I'd rather just do solid colors because solid colors can do all occasions. So that is the end of this challenge, the questions in the challenge. If you have enjoyed the today's tutorial and the challenge, kindly let me know in the comment section. I was tagged in this challenge by Tommy Picky Colony challenge, and she was tagged by Nails with Nena as well. So I went to Nails with Nena's channel to get the questions, and I added just one more question. You can also visit their channel. I'm going to leave a link to their channel in the description box. Kindly visit their channel to see or to watch their own Would You Rather challenge as well. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademide Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and also share to anyone that might be interested in learning something new. So I've come to the end of this tutorial. I'm just applying my top coat by Venalisa. Since I got this particular product, it has become my favorite. I love the shape of the bottle, I love the feel of the bottle, I love the design of the bottle. There's this Venalisa logo that is, what will I say it? That is on the bottle. You can feel each letter of the Venalisa on the bottle. So after applying this, I'm going to put it in the lamp and cure it for about 90 seconds in the UV lamp, and that will be the end. And I think I'm going to be applying my cuticle oil around the cuticle area, and that is the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Till next time, guys. Bye.